Hi guys, this is Rachel Kinnison from Diamond K Folk Art, and I am super excited to share with you this year's 2022 new Heirloom embroidery kit. This is Skarlet Ladye, and this is based off of an embroidered petticoat, 17th century embroidered petticoat that I just absolutely adore, on the scarlet red Duchess silk satin. And I have captured the essence of that petticoat with these wonderful black and gold scrolls. You're going to have so much fun stitching this ornament. Has real gilt spangles. I went with, instead of my usual, if you are used to my kits, if you've bought my kits before, I usually use real gilt or real silver metal tinsel. And you know, I take what you guys, the feedback that you give me, to heart. And really it when you're putting tinsel on a ridge like this, the metal tinsel, if you touch it, which is, you don't want to touch your embroidery, you want to grab these ornaments by the tinsel, and the metal tinsel will mat, so you'll be constantly having to pick the pile back up carefully with the pair of tweezers, you know, to fluff it back up. And so this year I went with a faux metal. This isn't metal, this is just a regular fluffy, springy tinsel, poly tinsel. So I am super stoked with the look of this tinsel on here. I just love this, and I hope you will love making it up. I should have the kits worked up pretty soon, so stay tuned.